Good job.
You gonna give it to mommy? You just want to play with it.
Get you standing up. Good job.
Lights.
Can you wave?
Say hi.
You say hi, Mommy.
Say hi, Mom.
No. No waving.
Let's go walk to mommy.
Look what I have. Come get it.
Come on, let's go get it. Go get it. Go get mommy. Come on.
Come here, Katie. Come get it.
In your shirt, huh? You say I'm cuddly? What? Let's go. Let's go walk. Let's walk. See, she knows walk.
Good job. Whoop. Say hi.
But you can see the difference just that little strap makes.